am the most important one in my little world of fun. I take myself wherever I go, so I am first person that I know. First person, second to, third person joins the grammar crew. Sing the pronouns loud and clear. Learning grammar brings us cheer.
Then I meet a friend like you, or maybe many friends in view. You can mean one or quite a few. Second person means it's you.
Now if we talk of someone else, not I or you or ourselves, he for boys and she for girls, it's for other things around the world.
If more than one comes into play, we simply call them they.
Many people, animals too, they help tell us who is who. First person, second to, third person joins the grammar crew. Sing the pronouns loud and clear. Learning grammar brings us cheer.
I am first and stand alone, but with a friend we've together grown.
Then I becomes a happy we, a team as strong can be.